It's not just paint yourself black, it's a celebration of black freedom. We are here, understand we are on chain, and we will celebrate however we see fit. So this is not just paint. This is freedom of my skin. When I paint myself black, I am wearing the strength of those who endured the chains and broke them and broke them and broke them and still breaking them. This is history. This is our pride. This is Juve. This is Jab Jab. We believe in freedom and we're going to celebrate that. In the end, we remember we are proud and we are free.
You ever get up drunk and fall down? Fall down.
We got it. Like, woo, you. From 3 o'clock you could hear the big drum. Monday.